Welcome everyone! Today we're taking a look at a new cloud mining platform called HashForge, a project that's been gaining attention for its simplicity and real mining infrastructure. Right at the start, you can find the official website using the link in the description. I recommend checking it out yourself because it contains all the key information about the platform. Right at the start, you can find the official website using the link in the description. I recommend checking it out yourself because it contains all the key information about the platform. On the About page, you can see real photos of their ASIC mining equipment, infrastructure, and also their company registration details and licenses, which is always an important factor when evaluating any mining service. Now let's move inside the platform. I've logged into my account, and this is the dashboard. Here you can immediately see which cryptocurrency is currently being mined. There are several options available, so you're not limited to just one coin. Below that, we have the profitability statistics and the total amount of mining power currently active on the account. Everything is displayed clearly, so you can track your earnings in real time. Further down is the list of miners that I own. Each miner shows its hash rate and daily income, which makes it easy to understand how your portfolio is performing. On the right side, there's a small block showing the latest withdrawals from the platform. This adds a level of transparency since you can see recent payout activity from other users. Now let's quickly switch between different mining coins. As you can see, it only takes a couple of clicks to change your mining strategy. Next, I'm going to the miner purchase page. Here you can see all available mining plans, their prices, and estimated daily profitability. This allows you to choose a plan based on your budget and expected returns. After that, here's the referral program page. HashForge offers a multi-level system where you can earn additional rewards by inviting other users to the platform. Now comes the most important part, withdrawal. I'm going to withdraw funds in Solana. I enter my wallet address, confirm the transaction, and submit the request. As you can see, the status changes to successful, which means the withdrawal has been processed. Now I switch to my phone and open my crypto wallet. Let's check the balance. And there it is. The funds have arrived. The transaction went through successfully. That's always the key moment in any review. So overall, HashForge offers a simple entry into cloud mining with a clean interface, flexible mining options, and fast withdrawals. Of course, like with any crypto platform, always do your own research and manage your risks. Thanks for watching. And if you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. See you in the next video.